Python is the hottest programming language used in data analysis, big data, number crunching, and reporting of any kind. Why is Python the #1 programming language? Because it is simple, easy to learn with hundreds of extensions and free libraries. It is also portable, works on any platform, plus it is completely free. Enhance your programming knowledge and accelerate your career. Python is a high-level, interpreted, and general-purpose dynamic programming language that focuses on code readability. Intellisoft provides quality, interactive, and practical Python workshops. The key takeaways from this Python programming workshop is mastering the fundamentals of writing Python scripts, learning core Python scripting elements such as variables and flow control structures, writing Python functions to facilitate code reuse, working with Python standard library, explore Python's object-oriented features. This Python training is aimed at beginner to intermediate users in programming. It is also beneficial for existing programmers, data scientists, and engineers with development experience in other high-level programming languages such as C, C++, or PHP. Join this 2-day training and build a strong foundation in programming with Python. Get started now and learn the techniques by trying them out yourself. If you need the detailed course brochure or quotation, contact us at training@intellisoft.com.sg or call us at 62962995. Like our Facebook page Intellisoft Systems to keep yourself updated on our upcoming workshops. See you soon in class.